Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking and Canning, where we do a daily update on the growth of the garden. If you're following us on YouTube, please give us a like. If you're following us on Rumble, please follow and give us a thumbs up. Well, our raspberry bush is still giving me some breakfast berries. Yum. Oh, sorry about the finger. It's not much of a bush. Most of the berries that I'd use for jam are from the front birdshit berry bush. If both of these could fruit at the same time, I might be putting both in the jam, but usually just as the front bush finishes, this one starts. Anyways, I've made my jam for the year. Our short little pepper plant still hasn't made any peppers. We're into the third week of July. This thing has been in there for over 2 months and has yet to produce a single pepper. Meanwhile, the taller one has just started this week. But all the other cheaper plants that came on sale at the end of spring, they're all producing like crazy. Look at the size of that pepper. Wow. Well, let's make sure that one gets pollinated. Eh? Maybe we'll grab some pollen down here. And rub that on there. Okay. Well, let's help you stay up on the stake. There we go. So I've got 2 other zucchinis in the fridge that have cropped up to size and bigger by the time I got to them. I'm just wondering if there's going to be any more ready today. It's going to be a nice warm day, so we should be getting some decent growth. Nope. No, I got a bit of a break. Okay. Good. Ooh, these carrot tops are really coming in nice. Let's see here. What do we got going on? Oh, wow. Well, our beans. Look at these bean plants. So they look pretty, but I don't see any beans yet. I'm not going to plant these purplish beans again next year. Their beans are so hard to find. Except for these. Of course, these are not the same plant. So the stems are nice and dark, darkish red. And so are the beans when they come out. Like seriously, I saw these short little reddish beans 2 days ago in that foliage. and I haven't been able to find them. They must have grown to full size by now. Meanwhile, the big kahunas are not really producing too much. I got weird stuff like this happening to the leaves. Wow, look at all the flowers. Well, that's why we got some beans. Our potato patch still surviving. How's them black flea beetles, eh? Huh? Well, it's my own fault. I keep putting the crops back in the same box. I have to rotate this around next year. Now, I did see an onion popping up yesterday from the fresh batch of bulbs we planted. There we go. Oh, another one there. Perfect. And another one over there. Let's see if we can zoom in on that. Right there. Very nice. Now to the squash boxes. We have managed to get rid of most of the vine borer eggs as they keep cropping up. And we're getting some really nice large squashes. I want to show you a couple of giant summer squashes, or winter squash, or whatever you want to call them. Look at the size of these. They look like zucchini, but they are not zucchini. Now this one here is probably about half size. Let's bring my hand down there so you can see what I'm talking about. Now my hand is at the end, and the top of that thing is about the almost all the way up to my elbow. The flesh on the inside is kind of a pumpkin-y color, and it's pretty flavorless as squash. So, you know, you cook it up, add a little brown sugar, you're good to go. Now the foliage is just fantastic. All right, well, let's go in the front and have a look at Butch. Every year, it's the same. But I've never had to worry about what to plant in this little strip here that probably wouldn't grow anything else. And even these, they've tried to take over, right? But still underneath, still survives. Look, even surviving over there. As these get all killed off for the winter, nothing will remain except for those little chicks and peas. All right, how's that pumpkin plant doing? Seem to be doing okay. Now let's go find out if that other squash plant growing up here is squash, zucchini, or pumpkin. Okay, so we had a fruit growing. Oh, it still hasn't grown much since yesterday. Okay. Here's Butch. The flower's still coming out. We're still getting some height on Butch. Meanwhile, yes, there it is, just starting. It'll continue to grow up. And what we got here? Huh? Yeah, okay. The morning glory. Now, See, this other squash plant has finally made its way up. And the other one down there still surviving in the corner amongst all the morning glories. See if we can get in there. Yep, still doing it. Our other big sunflower. And how's the skinny fella doing next to it? Did he survive? No, he's still there. Yeah, that's the one right here. It's interesting. All right, so how's this squash plant? Doesn't need my help. Well, let's hope one of them is actually a pumpkin plant. Hope I didn't screw up my seeds. And look at that, eh? Morning glories. I wonder when they're gonna flower. Still not seeing any seed pod flower activity, no. All right. Well, if you've hung out till the end, I really appreciate it. That concludes today's update on the growth. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.